moving on to the almost finished saga of this Wet and Wild collection. Um, the I wrote to them and they were saying, I said, look, it's been a week after the last video. I said, look, it's been a week, and why is it not moving? And that one girl said that she got hers within 2 weeks of ordering it. So that was like insane. And they had told me you have to give it 10 days before you'll see it move. So okay. Then one of my YouTube friends, her name is Sunny, she told me they told her they were going to pick it up on Monday and that she would get it by Saturday. And she told me that's exactly what happened. Meanwhile, it is Monday and it still hasn't moved. When she told me that, mine still had not moved. So I'm like, what the heck is going on? And Tuesday morning, I woke up in the wee hours of the morning. I started thinking about it, started getting upset. And I said, let me check. And it finally moved. It finally got taken to FedEx. So, yeah, it's been moving pretty quickly. It said midnight on Tuesday. It started moving. And then yesterday morning, it was, moving through California. By yesterday evening, it was in New Mexico, and this morning it finally entered Texas. So it's saying I'm gonna get it Saturday, because it is a smart post. It's short post, a smart post, and what I'm hoping is that since it's in Texas already, that it'll be delivered tomorrow or Friday by FedEx. But if not, it's probably going to be delivered to the post office. And I hate that. And then the post office will deliver it by Saturday. So that's the saga with that. I really started wondering what the heck is going on. I was talking to my daughters and even my therapist about it. And, the two conclusions that we came to was, did a bunch of workers get sick and quit? Or the more likely explanation was they really didn't have in hand what they were selling. That's me and my therapist think that's probably the bottom line, because that is ridiculous. I ordered something from Cryolin on Monday and it just got delivered today. So, with I think probably with COVID and everything, maybe it took a while to get here. It probably came from Japan and took a while to get here. I don't know, but I'm just glad that it's, when it's in my hand is when I will finally be satisfied. And then look at my hair. The ends most of it came up. It's still on here. My silver's growing. I'm just trying to use up the last of my fill-in powder. Gotta be careful with this hand. Fill-in powder. And so I just put it in here. All my silver and white is growing out, and I just put the fill-in powder there. You can see my silver starting to grow out through here. And so I want to do my hair again. I'm just scared because of my hand. I'm thinking about using the same colors, maybe diluting them. I don't know. I did order the forest green. See if that looks any better than this teal looking color. I think now it's starting to look green now that it's washing out. But that leads me to the next thing, is that